Hello everybody, this is Lauren from Garden Diary. Today I decided to harvest one of this container of potatoes. So I got here one bucket and try to remove the tag. This is the variety Violeta and it is now 90 days. Actually, the maturity of this variety is 135 days to 150 days. But I like to see how the tubers looks like in 90 days, because I've noticed that the leaves were a little bit yellow or anemic, and that's why I like to harvest this bucket. And now there's little tubers in there, so now I decided to replant these potatoes because there are so many little potatoes in there still. Last year I did also the same. The result was okay. The little potatoes grew into normal size potatoes. So I'm almost done. Here are the baby potatoes, baby violet potatoes. Now I'm also finished planting or replanting the potato plants, and see us tomorrow for taste test. Here are now the baby potatoes. I peeled the skin and ready for cooking. They are like jelly beans. And now it's cooked with butter, and let's taste it. Ah, tastes delicious. It's super delicious. Violet and blue potatoes are my absolutely favorite potato varieties. And thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you enjoy it.